Okay everyone, today we're going to be doing a bumper repair on this Mustang here, and do a close-up here of what happened. The garage door came down, bumped the hood, and then down here, and another one here. So what I'm going to be doing is doing the repair in this area only, and I'm going to blend out these corners here so I don't have to paint the entire bumper. And then up close here is where I'm going to just do a brush touch, so you don't have to try to paint and blend the whole hood. So brush touch these, do the actual repair here. The repair time will take about 3 hours or so to knock out, so I'll show you how the whole process works. Let's get started. It was kind of a fun repair on this high-tech electric automobile. Any questions that you have on this type of repair, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.